Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are safe at your home. I want to bring you a caution. The pandemic disease coronavirus is spreading day by day. It is very dangerous to come outside. You should remember to wear the mask and use sanitizer when you go out. It is better to stay home, stay safe. Welcome back to the class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the theme personality development, the definition of the personality and the aspects led to the personality development, like our way of thinking, our confidence levels, how do we communicate with others, how we communicate with someone who is very inferior to us, our communication skills, our positive attitude, negative attitude, our setting up of destination, reaching our goals, etc. are some of the examples we have seen. And we have seen three famous personalities also, Sir Sudha Chandran, Stephen Hawking and Helen Keller. Despite of their disability, how they succeeded in their life, we have seen in the previous class. Before going into the present class, let me ask you one question. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning, to scratch your itch, or to eat, or to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Imagine having no legs to kick off the pebbles while you're walking in the street, to play, to walk, to ride a bicycle, or to go from one place to another place. Now, imagine both having no arms and legs. This is what the Nick is facing his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? Nick Vujicic. He was a man with no arms and legs. But it doesn't let us to stop to know the details about him. So let us see some more details about Nick Vujicic. In the lesson, attitude is altitude. Attitude. What is attitude? Feeling about something or our way of thinking on something or someone. Altitude. Altitude means great height. This here the title clearly reveals that your attitude determines your altitude. Our attitude is what which makes us to stand in heights. If you think you can, you can. And if you think you can't, you can't. Your attitude towards failure determines your attitude after failure. Your success or failures depends upon your attitude. If you fall down, you will get up. Or will you stay there? You will get up. Vice versa. If you fail in your first attempt, you have to try again and again until we reach our success. This is a motto. This is a motto which was followed by, you can see, Nick Vujicic. He says no limbs, no limits, no excuses. He is a man having no arms and legs. Here Nick Vujicic is a torso. He has no arms and legs. He depends on his small foot to do everything. He can do golf, he can play golf, he can do surfing, he can play football, and he can move from one place to another place with the help of this electric wheelchair. And this is a photo taken when he came to India. Why he came to India? He is a great motivational speaker. So he travels around the world. So let us know some more details about Nick Vujicic. He is a hero of the lesson. Was born at Melbourne in Australia. Now he lives in Los Angeles. He is a torso. Torso, a body, the main part of the body without arms and legs. His father is a computer programmer and his mother is a His mother is nurse. His father was so shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. His distraught mother couldn't bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. His disability came without any medical explanation, a rare occurrence called phosomilia. Phosomilia. What is phosomilia? Being born as a torso. Despite of his disability, Nick can do swimming, he can play golf, he can play football, and he can do surfing. And he is a big fan of English Premier League, and he also like water sports. So these are some of the details of Nick Vujicic. In the next class, we can see some more details of Nick Vujicic. Thank you.